Hello, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out and also remove your Samsung account on your Android phone. So there's two different ways we can do this. We can swipe down from the top right and then just go to settings. So you can see your Samsung account at the top. We can just select it. Going down, there should be an option to remove it. We can go to sign out. And then you can just choose an option on here like keep contacts or profile or whatever. And just go to sign out. Then we go to the top right, but go back to settings. Scroll all the way down to where it says security and privacy. Actually, we don't want to go there. We want to go to where it says accounts and backups. Go to manage accounts. Choose your Samsung account. Choose it one more time. And then go to remove account right here. And then you should be able to delete it. Remove this account will delete all of his contacts, calendars, data from this phone. Just go to remove. Now if it says you need to enter a password or anything, you can reset the password if you go to forgot password right underneath it. So you can just remove it right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.